Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Music Travel Love channel analytics. They have uploaded 57 videos. They now have 2.81 million subscribers with a total view of 502,399,438 view. They from US. And their channel type is music. They created their channel since June 3, 2016. The grade they got is B+. And their social blade ranking is at 8,528th. The subscriber ranking is 6,379th and then video view rank is 11,431st. They ranked at 1,809th in US and 1,128th in comedy. Next, the daily subs for Music Travel Love channel is around 2.33k with a daily view of 982,798. Now let's talk about how much money are they making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 980,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Uncle Roger will be $3,920. Then, monthly income will be $117,600. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $64,680 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $776,160. That is how much Music Travel Love earns from YouTube.